He's still coming out. Hello, little guy. Is it your first time out of that boring shell?
There's tons.
Pretty.
Oh, I got a leg on me. I think he's coming out of it still.
Oh yeah, he's not done coming out. Mary, you shaking me.
I want that leaf.
I guess they I don't know if they say they fly.
There you go.
Fly through them,
Yeah.
and then they start to stay and move up.
Hello.
Can't tell if he's actually moving or if he's just sitting still.
This year they're black. Wow.
That's the type of cicada.
Wait, there's different.
Yeah, different breeds. Yeah.
Oh. Wow, you're a rare one. I was
What is
surprised to
that?
find this guy. This is surprising. I've never seen these guys coming out.
Oh, that. What is that?
We've caught them before when they've just hatched out.
I was like, what is that thing?
I have a bucket of them.
It's like he's paused. I think he knows he's being watched. Really cool though.
He looks like a prey.